Having a messy data can be very frustrating. Okay, and if you don't treat this issue, if you don't correct it before going to your analysis, of course you are going to have wrong results. So it is very important. Now let's see as watch me as I correct this inconsistent date formats in my date column. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, obviously, I love to use Power Query to clean up my data. And if you've not been using Power Query, I think this is your time to start learning how to use Power Query properly as a data analyst. So we load the data into Power Query and then we'll clean it up. So once this table has been loaded, what I'm going to do right next is to take my other date table and duplicate it. Why I'm duplicating it is because in case I would love to use this column again, I can always go back to it. So let's take this one we've duplicated and clean it up. So come to transform data first, come to format, and then come to clean it up. So once you've cleaned it up, you notice that the data type will change back to text. That is fine. We're still going to put it back to date data type. So go back to your data type, select using locale. That's what we're going to use to clean this up. So using locale, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so once the pop-up box have come up, so select under your data type, please select dates, not date time, not date time time zone, date, select dates, then come to your locale and select your own locale. So I'm in Nigeria and I'll be using English Nigeria. So all you need to do is select the locale that that you are in currently, where you are located in. That is all you need to select. And if your laptop is set to a different location, ensure that it is set to exactly the same location you are going to be picking up here. If not, it might not work. So once you do that, then click on OK. Let's see if our data table will be cleaned properly. Good. So we now have a very cleaned up, you know, data dates column. So let me hear in the comment sections, take how would you clean up this data set on your own? What methods would you use to clean it up? And what extra things will you do to ensure that you always have a consistent data